Oh, a status store. Oh, you have a short scene. If it seems good, it's good. Yeah, it seems good. Name's good. Why you that name's good is that anymore? That's the tour and doctor how all your pets are down all around the everything. I don't know the tour how other toys. And then the tour runs their face says anyone have a good change. What is a good change? Anyone says not. And first, is restrictions. Oh, terrorists. I'm talking about Atsirs. It's so inheritors. Wait a minute. Is the day of the death? Wait, what? Day of the death. What death? Is our finals. Because never under with. I don't think we gonna dead. No, but no, calm down. You're not gonna die. It's just the pigeons. I don't know. I think we're gonna dead or not. It says we're gonna go to the festival of the dead pigs. What, seriously? Yeah, we need to go to because he wants us to get under the free states on. Okay, look at the day starts. Is the tour hard for death? Here's the pigs. Is color still. We're hatchlings. Don't worry, Red. I don't know. He's gonna. I'm sure he's gonna catch. Yes, because he is a bad guy. Okay, calm down, please. Fine. I go with you and the hatchlings. Oh, thank you, Red. This is Dr. Harris. Okay, now let's call everyone to go on the Coco. No, that is his editor today. Come back here. Okay, is this the Coco? Yes. Is this? That's the Coco. It's a festival. What is festival? The festival is a party. And it's supposed to start. Let me turn this. I'm from here. Just on the terrace. You the tall are minute. You were the first. Don't. Fountains. Darts. And then a fruit. Is a turtle. Is a pond with the tit. Bird is a status. And so, let's go there then. Okay, wait up, I pushing. Thank you, Ma. What? It is here. Wait, what? Okay, come on, guys. We need to go this Coco Land. Oh, those guys are skeleton. Yeah, those. Hold on, I'm pushing the hatchlings. There we go. Our teeth are sensitive. That make scary. Oh no, hatchlings are good. Enter resort. Hey! Oh! Yeah! Oh! Hey, what do you want? Because we have a baby. Oh, welcome to Coco Land. Coco is attached at your festival. It's a kid pretty good. Look at here. There's a girl and the sus. Why there are skeletons? Did you not look at the sunset? What? Oh no, I mean, it's a stars. It's a dirty kid because he's dead and he's statuing skeletons. Oh, but what about the pigs? Oh, the pigs. Is this? I am a skeleton, and these are the pigs. And you can enjoy it, us. Yes, sir. Okay, now let's go this. Let's go. Oh, turn. Come on, visitors. I didn't realize. Anything. Okay, go Garland. Alright, there it is. Hey, bye. There we go. Bye, 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 bye. And then he has no idea. His I am the enemy too. What you mean? Nothing. A defect was so very hot. Just go. Is that what? Okay. Now, here's that. Welcome to the garden dance. What? That was so pretty. That was so stupid. I mean, and cute. It's not cute. It's meter or nothing. And now it prepared to be dancing with the skeletons. What skeletons? Is coming up? No! He is upon the theater. He tried to dance with them. You have a chance to return if you can. Oh, starfish starter or flying he is. And then there we go. And dance. And the third, here we go. It's the many songs that are done. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing, sir? No. Can you stop the noise? It's me, man. Okay, no, I can't hold it. I can't hold it. Okay, yeah, Torturosa. Try to dance like that. How? Okay, there's a stutter. Where it does. Hey, there you go. Hey, this is part. Come on. Oh, whoa. Oh, yeah? There's come on, let's dancing like a man and the third and the girl is for a woman. But I not have a girl. Can I dance you, Daddy? No, because you're a tail. What about this? No, your baby is out. Because I need the girl. Now you're Hey, get over here. And I have a nut to the goal. Well, this is for his. I was dancing it. Yeah, dance. And congratulations. You have Oh, I just wanna dance with him. My girl. Oh no. Sorry, guys. This is a pattern. Sorry, it's just a bullshit. Oh, there's more out there. Okay. What do you mean? Oh, come on. Let's go a train. This is not a train, it's It's a train here, ran to birds. This isn't a train. Shut up. Okay. Oh, what? Alright. Welcome to the bathroom. What? The bathroom is it makes a human that what the? And that creatures. Oh, there's a falling. And now, what I saying? You just stutter like this. This is a weird block of toilet. Go look at there. I'm waiting for it, but stop. That was the bathroom. Why is it hot tortoise? What's wrong? Got this? I don't know exactly. Oh, what? Excuse me. Okay, is it anyone? Wait, actually, are you sure? Oh, ow, 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 ow. I out of here. What the? Oh, no, 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 no. I hate farts. Oh, can you get out of there right now? But actually, stop it. Oh, sorry, I got 15. Okay, that's my. What are you thinking now? Oh, taste your sins. What do you mean? I chose to sell. What was going next? I don't know. I can't. Okay, that's it. Okay, the first one takes us time. No, 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 no. Stay there. Stay there. Dad, what are you doing? Okay. Hold in, and I spoke. Almost hit us. Sorry, but you're there too. Oh, okay. Here we go to like terrace. Go Terry, Terrace, you're home. He's on in. I think I just gonna. What the poop is this? Okay. Look at the reverse. No. It just started. Even that. That's. Okay, I shook the water too. But how is makes more desolate? I don't know, hatchlings. Come on, hurry. Come on. What? Wait a minute. Chuck, you to fail after him! What? No, nothing. It's just. Get in the. Chuck, I'm supposed to. What is going on right now? I don't know. The giant hen! Oh, it's right. Oh, cradle words. What? Enter cradle ever says. My babies! Don't worry, I'm gonna catch you like that. I like falling. Don't worry, hatchlings, I won't catch you. Got it. There we go. So warrior now. think we are in the darkness. But now big is big. Hello, suckers. Oh, Helmin, why you don't? Infant, he returned with hot hurts. He was the tail. But you were the friend. What? Where's the hatchlings? Oh, I can't say for you. The hatchlings! I knew it! You're the hazard starter out there anywhere here. Of course. Has Shakespeare tell me to rule your hatchlings? And the aim police. Wait, the aim police? Cornelius! He's destroyed our island? Of course. Big Eye showed them. Oh no, we have to fight with him. He's so strong, it can be defeated. I can't get it. Because he is strong. Of course he's... Hey. Yeah. Oh no, please, big guy, finish him. Okay, fellow Hardwoods. And drill. And now, the cause of stuttering will be hit. The hatchlings are stop. Yeah. And now, you hotter hatchlings. Well, and it's it by Hittertas. Here's gonna be hat and transforming into the skeleton. And now you are game over. Yeah. Something is fighting? Leave my mom and dad alone. Yeah, we're in the den, you big. Show them. We have a big daddy. The hatchlings are fighting? Impossible. Finish him. I'm going. Oh, great. Let's protect the hatchlings. Hey, I wanted to fight. But you're not too strong for this, hatchlings. You got death with this big guy. Back to you, Anya, right now. Oh, okay, I'm going. I can't on you then. Yeah, we're defeated. And now let's go take hatchlings. Oh, sorry, Red, for I let you to go and go. Don't worry, Bob, because always we're gonna save all the eggs and hunters. We're gonna be hunting the powerful Angry Birds. Really, Red? Of course, we're Angry Birds, and we can save the hatchlings. Thank you. Yeah, this is the sisters. And now, let's back to island. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't forget the hatchlings. Let's go. I can't believe we lost my big creature. Yeah, did it. We're the Angry Birds. And we can save the hatchlings. Yeah. And now one thing. Level clear. And now what is? We're gonna hunt. Later after the event. Intruders. Oh, my friend. There's intruders. So, can we back on the Red Island? Please. Yeah, this is Angry Birds. It needs to start turtle. Right? Yeah, this is really good. Of course, that's... Yeah, totally. Hunters, you are the tortoise. I never heard. Wait. Huh? Good idea, Brooklyn. And my friends. And that's... Let's find the Angry Birds before the others will survive. Of course. Until where the scissors hurt and the toes are raw. And that. I found oops. Let's find the Angry Birds will survive the earthquake. Let's go, yeah. Oh, good. He's not good. Hell, as I am. Now, let's start the new challenges of free turn challenges of them. Continue.